Hey, hi guys. This is my first video, and welcome to my channel. And here I'll be going to show you how we can create a simple C# application without using Visual Studio. So, for writing my C# application, I have opened Notepad++. So let's get started. Public class, my class name. So I have defined a method where the program will start executing our message. So to execute our message, there is one statement we have to write here, that is console.writeLine. So console.writeLine, it takes a string message, string value. So our string value would be hello world. So save it. So .cs is nothing but an extension file name which the compiler will know that it is a C# file, C# class file. Save it and opens command prompt. Go to your drive, change your directory, clear the screen. Now run the command of compiling my code. csc fastapp.cs. Okay, so csc, here I am getting an error like csc is not recognized. Actually window it is not registered in the environment variable, so that's why window is not able to recognize what is csc. So for this, open the file explorer, go to C drive, Windows, Microsoft.NET framework and version 2.0. so why I am going to say like you have to go to this path, because if you go down a little bit, you can see csc compiler is exist in this path. So copy this whole path and go to your command prompt. So here we can write a simple statement which csc will be getting registered in the environment variable. So for this, the command is set path equal to, so set path is the command where we are setting the path of our compiler, C# compiler in Windows environment variables. So hit enter. Okay, now it is set in our environment variable. So let's go to write again the compiler code, csc fastapp.cs. hit enter. Okay, now our file got compiled, but it is throwing an error saying the name console does not exist in the current context. What does it mean? Actually, in C# compiler won't able to identify what is console is unless and until we are not specifying the actual namespace. So it is not able to identify from where it is being derived or called. So for this we have to include system namespace, and it can be declared by using keyword. So using system. Okay, Control S to save the application. Go again to command prompt, try to run the compile code csc faststart.cs, again hit enter. Okay, now it is compiled. Now my application is ready to run. So to run the application, the command is fastapp.exe. See, you can see here hello world is displayed. Our text message is displayed in the console. So here it is like I have created a simple C# application which contains a main method, and that main method only execute a single line statement, that is console.writeLine. So console is nothing but a class here which has writeLine is a static method inside the console class, and which is defined inside system namespace. So if we are including console.writeLine, then we have to include our namespace here in the code, so that it should not throw any error. So writeLine method takes a string value. So our string value is hello world. I am just passing the string value here and displaying in the console. You can see the string value is displayed here, hello world. So before, if CSC is not recognized in Windows platform, then you have to set the path. How to set the path? The command is set space path equal to, and copy the whole path where CSC compiler exists in your PC. So after that, when you run the code to compile the C# code base, then it will compile properly. So that's all from my side, guys. Hope you'll enjoy this after seeing this video, and you can able to create a simple hello world application without using Visual Studio. Thanks a lot, guys, for your spending a valuable time to see it. Thank you. Have a great day, guys.